Well, yes, Hiral, a lot of factors are there which are impacting the markets. But for the second straight day, the pain is there. Let's pull out the Nifty chart and then I'll give you the explanation also why the street is spooked and even the global sentiment is on a pause. Look at Nifty right now over here. There has been a correction and we are at the day's low level here. Comfortably that 25,800 mark that has come down. And now the story is turning towards Nifty Bank as well. Let's pull out the Nifty Bank chart and see what's happening there and see largely that is also at the day's low level. Look at that. But there are key factors for it which you should be looking at. But for the traders, the important levels have been broken. So next level of support is going to be very much important. Nifty has broken the 50 DMA levels and the EMA levels on Nifty Bank for the 20 days that has also been broken. So it will be of course very interesting to see whether this can be hold out in important levels and the bounce back happens or not. But for two straight sessions, there is a downtick coming in. Also a weak breadth coming in the markets, no major supports in the small cap and the mid cap indices, and that's where the cause of concern comes in for the companies. Remember, the Q3 numbers officially have started, but very few numbers have come in. US-India trade deal and the tariff concerns, they are still remaining in the market. There is an overhang of it, and today itself there's going to be important events which are lined up, which will define the future course of action. The FI shorts, that has actually increased. Yesterday it was 90% and day before yesterday, now it's at 91%. It's likely that this number might be inching up, at least right now what the data is suggesting in the options front. And largely no options trade is also being made in the markets. Markets are discounting the record December SIP numbers. These numbers had come out just 1 hour ago, but no respite coming in. So of course, a lot of factors to actually watch out for going ahead. But the global risk on sentiment, that has fizzled out for the second straight session. And two important events are coming tonight in the evening, which is very much important. Hiral, you had pointed out earlier. This is the US tariff ruling, the Supreme Court ruling on Trump's tariff, and the jobs data. That will also determine the future course of action for the Fed's rate cut trajectory. So a lot of information is there and a lot of absorption is happening in the markets, but definitely the negative sentiment is kicking in for both Nifty and Nifty Bank. Back to you, Hiral.